Former President Donald Trump may be on the hook for potentially enormous financial penalties as the civil fraud case against him, spearheaded by New York Attorney General Letitia James, moves forward. The case in question revolves around alleged exaggerations of the value of his assets to secure loans and other financial benefits, a serious accusation that could see Trump facing significant monetary repercussions under a relatively obscure New York law. The legal proceedings, which have gained widespread attention, put Trump at risk of hefty fines if he's found to have inflated his wealth to deceive lenders and insurance companies. The New York law in question provides the state's attorney general with broad latitude to tackle fraudulent business practices through the imposition of financial penalties. This newfound focus on Trump's financial dealings has the potential to lead to judgments that could run into hundreds of millions of dollars, dramatically impacting Trump's financial status. The use of this New York statute could set a precedent for how state-level legal authorities leverage local laws to tackle alleged malfeasance by high-profile individuals and large corporations. This comes at a time when there is increasing scrutiny on how the wealthy and powerful manage their business affairs, particularly in the wake of financial scandals that have rippled through the global economy in recent years. In the case of Trump, the penalties could be particularly severe due to the size of his business empire and the scope of the allegations, which include misrepresentation of assets ranging from golf courses to skyscrapers. The investigation, which began as an inquiry into individual transactions, has ballooned into an expansive examination of years of Trump's financial statements, raising the stakes for the former president and his associates. The relevance of the case extends beyond the specific allegations against Trump. It taps into the larger theme of accountability in business and politics, a topic that has seen bipartisan attention amid calls to reinforce the integrity of financial markets and ensure that individuals in positions of power cannot evade legal consequences. As the case unfolds, the financial future of Trump's business empire hangs in the balance, underscoring the power of state-level statutes in regulating and penalizing business malpractice. Observers from across the political and legal spectrums are closely watching the proceedings, as they may signal a shift in how aggressive state attorneys general can be in pursuing claims against individuals and entities accused of large-scale fraud. The developments in this case are bound to influence not just Trump's personal finances, but the landscape of financial accountability for high-profile business personalities. For some, the aggressive use of the New York law is seen as a necessary step in curbing fraudulent business practices, while for others, it raises questions about the scope and reach of state power in civil litigation. Regardless of one's viewpoint, this moment represents a notable development in the ongoing conversation about justice, financial honesty, and the consequences of alleged corporate malfeasance.